This could be the car for you. The 2023 Audi Q5. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. This quietly sophisticated Q5 delivers top-quality design, luxurious comfort, and confidence-inspiring capability. Prepare to fall in love with its solid feel and high-tech safety and connectivity features. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, heated mirrors, wood grain interior trim, power passenger seat, fog lamps, backup camera, power liftgate, power driver seat, aluminum wheels, steering wheel audio controls. Don't miss the chance to get behind the wheel of this beautifully crafted Q5. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.